Hi, my name is Kabir and in this video we will be performing intravenous injection. So let's start. My group number is 158A. So before anything we will perform hand hygiene. For hand hygiene I will take soap, I'll turn on water, then now I will rub. Now I will take disinfectant. Now we will wear the gloves. So first I will take my glove with the help of two fingers. I will wear it. As you can see, I have worn the first glove. Now with the help of three fingers I will wear another glove. I have inserted three fingers. Now I will insert my this hand and I will wear the glove. As you can see, I have worn both the gloves. So now what I will do is that as I have worn the gloves, now it's time to take this package of the gloves and I will put it in box A, disposable box A. So it is on the ground and I will put it in box A. Now after this I will take my syringe which is on the sterile tray and I will check if the packaging is intact. Yes, the packaging is intact. Now I will open it and I will throw this wrapper in medical box A, which is here. This is the syringe. I will look at the readings at eye level. I will place it in the sterile tray. Now I will take the medicine and with the help of a cotton I will clean it. After cleaning it, this will go in medical box B, which is here. Now I will keep it in sterile tray. After this I will take my syringe again. I will open it. I will take its cap and put it in sterile tray. And now I will fill my syringe with the medicine. As you can see, I have taken the medicine. As you can see, I have added the medicine in the syringe. Now at eye level, I will keep the syringe and I will remove all the air bubbles which are present in the syringe. I have done it. Now I will take the cap and I will put it on the syringe. For an intravenous injection, we inject the medicine at an angle of 25 degrees. This is the sponge on which I will be injecting my medicine. I will use my tourniquet here. I will apply the tourniquet. I have applied the tourniquet. Now I will take a piece of cotton and I will sterilize it where I need to apply the medicine. 1, 2, 3. This cotton will go in medical box B. I will take my syringe which has the medicine. I will remove the cap and I will place it on sterile tray. I will hold it like this and at an angle of 25 degrees I will insert the needle in. Now I will remove the tourniquet. I have removed the tourniquet and now I will inject the medicine. I have injected the medicine. I will take out the syringe. Then I will take another piece of cotton and I will rub it over the area where I injected the medicine. Now I will take this piece of cotton and I will put it in medical box B. Now I will take this syringe and its cap and I will put it in medical box B. After this I will remove my gloves. I have removed my gloves and now I will put it in medical box B. That's it. Thank you.